Most South African actors don't get callbacks. Not because they can't act, but because they all act the same. Same tears, same hand folding, same dramatic head shake, same exaggerated facial expression. Casting directors see it 20 times a day, and they're over it. What they're looking for is truth, stillness, presence, and actors who don't show pain, but feel it in silence. Let's talk about what you wear. Red? It screams power, but sometimes arrogance. Blue? Safe but boring. Black? Strong but distant. Your clothes should never speak louder than you. The FBI studies body language for a reason. And great actors do too. Learn micro-expressions. Learn how people lie, love, or hesitate. That's what makes a scene believable. The best actors don't perform, they react. That's the key. React. Truthfully in the moment. So next time you audition, don't act like everyone else. Be the one they remember by doing less. If you want to stand out, watch drunk people. Seriously. Their emotions leak out. Their body moves without filter. That's raw truth. That's what real grief, joy, or confusion looks like. Subscribe for real actor training, not recycled drama. Next episode, what your eyes say before you even speak.